past yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny V, and I was inspired to do this very simple green and brown makeup look. It kind of reminds me of an avocado, I don't know, but I was inspired by this awesome sweater that I got from Target. It's the brand called Wild Fable. If you guys haven't checked it out, go check it out. They have such amazing plus size ranges in there, so if you're a plus size gal like I am, that brand is everything. They have such cute clothes. But back to the makeup. If you guys are interested in seeing how I got this makeup look, then please stay tuned to the very end. Hi everyone, so this tutorial is going to be focusing only on the eyes, so no foundation today. I'm taking my Tarte palette and I'm going into the color Supermom on a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to be placing that all over my eyelid for my transitioning shade. The powder I have underneath my eyes is my LauraMercier translucent powder, and that's there just because I want it to catch any fallout if fallout occurs. I'm taking my UrbanDecay full spectrum palette and I'm going into the color Mean on a fluffy brush, and I'm going to be placing that all throughout my crease. And on camera the color is very muted, but I promise you in person this color was super green. So if you're interested in seeing any of my foundation tutorials, go ahead and check out one of my other videos. Going back into my Tarte palette, I'm going to be taking the color Dreamer and Multitasker, which is the darkest brown shades in there, on a pencil brush, and I'm going to be placing that on the inner and outer corners of my eye, avoiding the lid completely, the center of the lid. Now I'm going to be blending it out with my fluffy brush. And it's okay if the color looks a little muted, you could always go back in with green and brighten it up. Now going into my UrbanDecay Distortion palette, and I'm going to the color Territorial on a flat brush, and I'm placing that on the center of my eyelid. And once you have that placed down, make sure you go back in with your fluffy brush and blend it all out. Now I'm going back into my Tarte palette with the darkest shade Multitasker, and I'm going to be darkening up the edges and bringing the dark color right underneath the eyelashes. And then again going in with your fluffy brush and blending it out. I'm going to be going into my Anastasia Glow Kit with the color Gumdrop on a fluffy brush, and I'm going to be adding that to my brow bone. Now I'm taking my UrbanDecay 24-hour liner pencil in the color Freak, and I'm going to be placing that in my waterline. And then go in with a blending brush and blend out the edges. Now time to curl my lashes. Once I have that curled, I'm going to be taking my UrbanDecay Troublemaker mascara and giving my eyelashes a really good coat of mascara before I apply my lashes. And voila, my lashes are on, and with this makeup look I decided not to use any eyeliner, so my lashes are dramatic. Now time to take off the powder. With my kabuki brush I'm just going to be brushing all that powder away. Now taking my favorite part, the highlighter, I'm taking the Jeffree Star highlighter in Peach Goddess, and I'm placing that on all the high points of my face, so my cheeks, the tip of my nose, nose bridge, my cupid's bow, and a little bit above my eyebrow. So once I have that, I'm taking my NYX's highlighter and contour palette, and I'm taking the two middle shades right there, and I'm going to be contouring my face. So just my cheeks, my forehead, chin, and a little bit on my nose as well. And for my nose, I just use the same brush, and I'm just squeezing the bristles together so it could be thin, and then just run that along the side of my nose. Now I'm going to be taking my Smashbox's blush in Idolize Me on a small kabuki brush. I'm just going to be placing that on the apples of my cheeks. Now with this blush, it's super pigmented, so I would suggest if you have it, use a very light hand. Now taking my NYX lip liner in the color Cherry Skies, and I'm going to be lining my lips with that. And as I'm lining my lips, I'm just going to be flicking it towards the innermost parts of my lips, and then end up blending it out with my fingers.
Yesterday, no, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want.
And now once you have that complete, I'm taking my liquid lipstick from NYX, and the color is in Cabaret Show. And I'm just going to be placing that over the lip liner and just blending it all together. And now, of course, my trusty all-nighter spray by UrbanDecay, and giving myself a good spray. And that's it, you guys. You're done. Okay, everyone, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, I loved making it for you. If you did like the video, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up or subscribe. That'd be so awesome if you did. Or even comment down below. That would be awesome too. And if you're interested in seeing any of my other social medias, my social media will be down in the description, so if you guys are interested, go ahead and check that out if you want to, of course. And as always, I hope to see you in my next video.